Hi, welcome back to Will It Sleep. So today we will actually have breakfast. So breakfast is one of very important meals for the day. So everyone is in a rush. So make sure your breakfast don't slip off with Will It Sleep. So today we have roti canai, the croissant, and also pao. Let me wrap the towel first. Okay, let's start.
So we'll start with the pao. On slip stop. Next up, we'll try the croissants. Not good. On slip stop. Lastly, roti canai. On slip stop.
Leave us your ideas on the comment below and we will see you in the next Will
Will
It
it
Sleep.
slip?